Hey fam, PM here. Today I am having carbonara pasta. So let's eat. Oh, that's steaming hot. So how you guys been? We're back in the UK and yeah, missing holiday. Here we go, let's eat. Wow. I cook a really good pasta. Some bacon. Oops. So how's things, fam? How you been? Miss you, fam. Hoping that you miss me too. And I am, obviously. But AM couldn't join me today. She's not feeling very well. So it's just me. But you guys don't mind, right? Wow. This carbonara is very easy to make. This is Anne's favorite meal. Did you guys enjoy all of our vlogs? Oh yeah, we got braces. It makes it hard a little bit to eat, but if you're hungry, right? Especially when you eat this type of food. Oh my god. Look how creamy this is. Still steaming, right? So tell me, fam, how's things? Did you guys enjoy all of our vlogs? Hope you did. We have more vlogs coming out, but I thought of making this video first before we release the other vlogs that we've done when we went back to my hometown. And we went to this amazing waterfall and ate a lot of seafood. And you guys saw all my crazy high school friends, right? That was fun. Mmm. Mmm. Who likes carbonara? It's basically spaghetti with white sauce. But obviously with different flavor. Carbonara is more creamier, cheesier. I will rate it compared to spaghetti. Spaghetti will probably be 10. And carbonara will go to about, for me, it's 8. But AM will probably rate this a 20. Mmm. So tell me, fam, what did you enjoy the most in our vlogs? Which one is your favorite? The ones that we released when we were back in the Philippines. Did you guys see the mukbang that we did in the Philippines? The mango? Oh, I miss it so much. Mmm. Mmm. This is actually not enough for me. I think I'm gonna need more of this. Hang on, fam. I'm just gonna get some more. I'll be back. So I am back for more carbonara! Yay! Mm. This has all the meat. Definitely. The one that I had earlier has more of the pasta. This has all the meat. Mmm. Oh, I just wanna shout out to everyone that we saw on the way to the Philippines and on the way back to London. Some of our fam bam that was in the Philippines and some of our fam bam that's in the UK. Hey fam. And also I just wanna say hello to my friend's daughter. Her name is, I believe, is Princess Garcia, aka Champoy. Hey Champoy, how are you? Your mom told me so many things about you, and I heard that you're starting your YouTube channel. So fam bam, if you guys want to see this cute little girl, check out her channel down below. I'm gonna link her channel down below. Her name is Princess Garcia, and aka Champoy. She's one of my high school's friends' daughter. Her name is Maverick So go and check her out. And also, shout out to Benilda, who kindly sent us a package during Christmas season, but the parcel didn't arrive to us, so she's sending it back again to us. And hello to Ariel, her daughter. You guys have been amazing and lovely. Thank you so much for all the support and love. We love you so much. I've only got 2 more bites for this. That's some really good carbonara. If you guys want to know how I made this dish, make sure to check the description down below. I will link the video and the recipe down below. So that's it, fam. My plate is empty and I'm full. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you hit that thumbs up button and a notification bell, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. And yeah, we're back in the UK and we'll be doing a lot more mukbangs for you guys, and a lot more cooking recipe. And thank you all for all your support, and we love you. I will see you guys later on our next video. Bye bye. Love you. Bye.